Hello everyone. Today I am Rishika. We study the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes, exercise 13.3, question number 7. A cylindrical bucket 32 cm and with radius of base 18 cm is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. If the height of the conical heap is 24 cm, find the radius and slant height of the heap. A cylindrical bucket 32 cm high and radius of base 18 cm is filled with a sand. So we'll see here a cylindrical bucket whose radius is 18 cm and height is 32 cm. It is completely filled with sand. And next, this bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. When we fall the sand filled in this bucket on the ground, a conical heap was formed. If the height of the conical heap is 24 cm, find the radius and slant height of the heap. If the height of the conical heap is 24 cm, so we have to find the radius and slant height of this heap. So, volume of cylindrical bucket is equals to volume of conical heap. So we will write here the formula of volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h, and here we write formula of volume of cone. So 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we see that both side pi is there, so I'll cut that pi. R square, here the value of r is 18, so 18 square h 32, so into 32 is equals to r square. We have to find this r square, so we didn't get the value of this. R square 1 by 3 r square into h, the value of h is 24, so 24. 3 8s we cancel it, so 3 8s are 24. 18 square, what is the value of 18 square? If we square the 18, the value we will get is 324 into 32. Here it is multiplied, here it will be divided. So divided by 8 is equals to r square. So 8 4s are 32. So 324 into 4, 1296 is equals to r square. So r is equals to root of 1296. So the value of r will be 36. So we will get the value of r is 36. So we have next step, we have to find the slant height of the conical heap. So L square is equals to r square plus h square. Here we have value of r 36, so 36 square plus h square means 24 square. 24 square. 36 square 1296 plus 24 square 576. So we add this two number, we will get 1872. So L is equals to root of 1872. We will find it 1872. 2s are 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. 2 5 3 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. 3 3 1s are 3 3 3s are 9. 13 is not divisible by any of the number, it is divisible by only 13. So 13 ones are 13. So 1872 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and into 3 into 3 into 13. So 2 2 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3 into 13. 4 3s are 12. So 12 root 13. So what is the value of L? 12 root 13 centimeter. Thank you.